Very good. I'm very glad that you all are looking at concentratingly. You are not allowed to ask any questions. Do the questions according to your own understanding. Ria, unmute yourself. What is your query?
Ma'am, I have not got any question.
Better the paper is on now, and it's a very small paper, only 20 questions are there. Have you clicked the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly read. And what can you see?
Ma'am, class 8 English.
So this is question year 1. दिख रहा है आपको? There must be some connectivity issue at your end because the paper is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see there are only 20 questions, very simple, easy questions. Let me remind you once again that this is just a practice test. Your numbers would not be added in your exams. This is just for your practice and for my practice as well. Thank you, Aditya. Those who have completed will still be sitting here quietly, because once you have submitted, you cannot change your responses. So read your answers before submitting. Yes, I have received, Aditya, your responses are here. Krishna, you have joined late and there is no audio response. Krishna, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
आपके पास ग्रुप में जो व्हाट्सएप लिंक आया था, आपने देख रखा है टेस्ट का? क्विकली उसको क्लिक करिए. आधे घंटे का टाइम है. There are only 20 questions. Open the test and solve it and submit it to me.
Yes, ma'am.
आराम से करो. It's a very easy test. Do not panic. You have plenty of time. I'm marking you present. Okay, I've received 6 responses. For those students who have completed their test, they have to remain in the class. Take out your notebook, do your incomplete work. I'm also doing my incomplete work. You have to sit in the class. वेरी गुड आदित्य. एकलव्य सबमिट करिए. देखिए इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम होगी, दोबारा से ट्राई कीजिए. ईशान अभी मैं आंसर नहीं बता पाऊंगी. आई एम सॉरी. लेट एवरीबॉडी कंप्लीट द टेस्ट. Very good, Tarun. I have received your response. Ishant, yes. I have now 8 responses. Aditya Raj, Mahi, Mehika, Janvi, Ishant, Aditya Gangwani, Priyanshi, and now Tarun. Very good. This is just a practice test. So you have the Google form for, very good, Tarun. The Google form for the exam would be on similar pattern. You just have only 2 responses, so there's not much confusion. Out of these responses, you have to click the right one. And one more I've received. Beneath, I've received your response also. Well done, everybody. Those who have completed, quickly read your answers, read a chapter. Yes, Bhavyanshi, what is the doubt? Unmute yourself. Yes, Bhavyanshi.
Ma'am, I am complete my test.
So submit it. I have not received your test so far.
No, ma'am, मैंने submit किया है.
Acha, yes, Bhavanshi Gupta. Yes, I have received your. Yes, yes. Very good. Very nice. Stay in the class and read something. Muskan. Yes, yes. And now I've received a couple of more. After Tarun, I have received from Vineet, Jay, Bhavyanshi, Harshita, Ishika, Muskan, Ayushi Badoria, and Lakshya Jain. Very well done. So 18 students have submitted it. Yes, Ishika, I've received your response. The good part with this Google form is that you get instant results. After Lakshya Jain, I have received Arpit Meena, Pawan Singh, Ayushi, Rahul, and Vaibhavi. So 21 students have been submitted. We have plenty of time. We have 15 more minutes. So don't be in a hurry. Don't click the wrong response. Very good. Ayushi, very nice. I think one more students have joined. Khyati Mehra, unmute yourself quickly. Khyati Mehra, quickly unmute yourself. Khyati, if I ask you to unmute, you have to unmute and say yes, madam. Khyati, you have joined late. Quickly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And now you have a link of the Google form.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Quickly open that form. We still have 15 minutes. Solve it.
Oh,
Open your videos, everybody, so that we can see. Vaibhavi, very nice. I think you're among the highest scoring so far. Muskan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the query?
मैम इन क्वेश्चन 5th मैम कोई सा भी आंसर करे मैम, नीचे दिखा रहा है नो करेक्ट आंसर्स. मैम सही आंसर बता ही नहीं रहा क्या है मैम, सीधा सिर्फ लिखा हुआ आ रहा है नो करेक्ट आंसर्स.
No, there is a correct answer. Yes, Kushal, unmute yourself. Let others also complete, Muskan. I don't want to give the answers right away.
मैम गलती से हो गया मैम, सॉरी.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं, no, it's okay. I like talking to you. Lower your hands. Yes, Ronit, unmute yourself. What is your query?
मैम
बोलिए.
टेस्ट आ गया क्या?
Let me go and see the responses. Yes, I have 29 responses, and last I told Lakshya Jain के बाद Arpit Meena and Pawan Singh. Lakshya Jain के I have 30 responses. Dimple, Sanskriti, Kavish, Riya, Pallavi, Kushal, Ronit, Jessica. These are the last students who have submitted.
ओके मैम। मैं तो रिजल्ट भी आ गया मैम।
Very good. Congratulations. Tarun, you were present. Hopefully connectivity issue thi. Tarun, have you submitted? Yes, you have submitted, yes. So very nice. I have 30 responses so far. Ishant, unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने 5th वाले का सही आंसर किया था, फिर भी वो गलत बता रहा है।
See, there is a question problem with the 5th question. Okay, we'll discuss it once the test is over. I cannot talk right now because some students are still doing their responses. So question 5 is a problem, and other than that, why should we be sorry? Jessica, it is a very good response. Yes, so I think your idea and my idea of question number 5 might be different. Might that couple of students are doing the wrong response because it is the wrong answer. Let the test be completed. See, now you have an idea what kind of paper you'll get. You have to prepare yourself accordingly. Harshit, why have you joined so late? Harshit, I cannot see a mic in your name tag. This is the video option. Harshit, unmute yourself quickly. Harshit, quickly unmute yourself, beta. Harshit, unmute yourself. If I ask you to unmute, you have to unmute yourself. Harshit. So you're not unmuting. You have joined the class late. And yeah, I hope you have the link. I'm giving the link once again in the chat box. Quickly click the link and solve 20 multiple choice questions which are there in the form. Complete your responses and try to come in time in the class. Okay, Aditya, I'll see. Let this test be complete, then we'll go into the question number. Kangana, you have submitted. I have yes 32 response. And last two, those who have submitted are Kangana, your spelling is wrong. You are logging from a different name. How would I give this number? Charu has submitted with the right ID. See, if you give a response with a different name, I would not be able to give you numbers at all. Because Kana Kumari, I don't have a student named Kana Kumari. So where will I enter this name now? And you cannot resubmit the test. Can you? Khyati, man, I've received your response. Sudhanshu, I've received yours. See, now, Khyati, you have to. Very good. Kavyanshi, very nice. No, beta, how could that be possible? Whatever you type will be there on the screen, na? So by mistake, you have typed the wrong name. This is just a practice test, relax. But if such kind of thing happens in the final exam, you will get 0 number. So you have to be very particular what you are typing. Your name should not be a spelling mistake. Very good, Khyati. You can improve. So this is the kind of question paper I will be giving you. Yes, Kushal, what is your query? Unmute yourself.
मैं एग्जाम में भी ऐसे ही ऑप्शन मिलेंगे क्या?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ऐसे ही पेपर आएगा. Exactly similar. Only 2 options. One of them would be right, one of them would be wrong, and you have to click the right name, number, and Ronit, unmute yourself.
मैम
Yes, beta.
मैम वो कॉपीज मैम हम स्कूल में गए थे मैम तो कोई था नहीं मैम तो आज लेने जाए ना कॉपीज.
हाँ, और आप फोन करके जाइए. देखिए हर एक जने का अलग टाइम होता है वहाँ पे स्लॉट का स्कूल में. So you call Vice Madam. She is in charge of the entire 6th to 10th classes. Ask her if you can come. Take her permission and then only come to the school.
यस मैम.
Don't waste your time, and please, you don't come into the school. Students
Okay.
are not allowed to come. Send your parents. Yes, Ansh, unmute yourself.
मैम
Yes, beta.
मैम मैंने मैम पूरा पेपर तो कर दिया, मैम सबमिट का ऑप्शन नहीं आ पा रहा मैम.
Last में submit का option आता है. Submit your
लेकिन
responses.
मैम लेकिन वो मैम लिखा तो हुआ है लेकिन मैम दबा नहीं पा रहे, मैम आ नहीं रहा सबमिट को दबा के.
आपने सारे अटेम्प्ट नहीं करे होंगे. आपने नाम, अगर जो कंपलसरी वाले ऑप्शन होते हैं, नाम, सेक्शन, वो वाले आप
डाल
देखिए.
दिए सारे.
एक बार फिर भी चेक करिए आप. आदित्य, आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू. Aditya Gangwani, could you please explain Ansh how can he and submit the test?
मैम अगर मैम उसने मैम ब्राउजर से किया है ना तो मैम सबमिट का ऑप्शन नहीं आता ब्राउजर में.
तो फिर वो कैसे करेगा सबमिट?
मैम तो उसको मैम क्रोम से खोलना होगा. मैम अगर वो नहीं खुल रहा तो मैम ब्राउजर का मैम क्लियर डेटा करके उसके बाद क्रोम का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा.
आपने समझ लिया अंश क्या बोल रहे हैं आदित्य?
यस मैम.
करके देखिए. We still are opening for 5 more minutes. Thank you, Aditya. So that was the reason why I was asking you to open through Chrome. Sudhanshu, unmute yourself.
मैम मेरा 5th आंसर तो सही है, बस इसमें गलत बता रहे हैं मैम.
कोई बात नहीं. There is a problem with question number 5. That is okay. Other than that, there should not be a problem. Yes, Himanshu, unmute yourself.
मैम सबमिट नहीं हो रहा.
सेम प्रॉब्लम अभी जो आदित्य ने बताई थी उस तरह से करा आपने? क्रोम से करा है?
यस मैम.
क्यों नहीं सबमिट हो रहा? देखिए एक बार चेक करिए आपके सब रिस्पॉन्सेस सही हैं. जो कंपलसरी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो अगर आप सबमिट नहीं करेंगे, वो आपको कंपलसरी है मतलब वो करे बिना आप नीचे नहीं जा सकते हैं. So that needs to be finished first. Ronak, I've received your response. So total, how many students are there today? Today we have 46 students and I have received only 37. Where are the rest of the responses? Very good, Priyanshi. Ankita, yes, Ankita, I've received your Ankita, Ronak, Krishna. Krishna, I've also received your response. See, Ayushi, exam dates would timetable would be given to you, but the format I'm talking about, format will be exactly like this. The language is wrong, Ankita. You want to get 18 or you have got 18? Priyanshi and Vaibhavi have got 18, I think. Very nice. Keshav. Keshav, unmute yourself.
यस मैम।
Yes, what is the query, beta?
मैम जब मैम सबमिट का ऑप्शन दबाना तो मैम सबमिट ही नहीं हो रहा मैम पेपर।
ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है जो लोग ब्राउजर से एंटर कर रहे हैं, क्रोम से एंट्री करिए। Aditya, I'm unmuting you once again. Could you please explain the entire class why the response is not coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Please loudly explain how to submit the responses.
मैम क्रोम से मैम लॉगिन मैम क्रोम से ही करना पड़ेगा मैम, क्योंकि गूगल के ऑफिशियल है क्रोम ही है मैम। ब्राउजर से मैम, अगर ब्राउजर से करना है तो मैम आपको लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा गूगल से।
क्या करना पड़ेगा
मैम? लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा मैम, उसमें मैम www.google.com में जाना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा।
So I hope Kavish, you're listening. If you have to go from browser, then you have to log in through Google. Thank you, Aditya. And if you have Chrome, then it would come the response आ जाएगा. Himanshu, yes, unmute yourself.
मैम ब्राउजर से भी करके देख लिया।
Take a screenshot and mail me quickly.
Okay,
because
ma'am.
time is up. Those who cannot submit their response, take a screenshot and email me. If I get an email in 10 minutes, then I will accept your form and give you number. Ansh, unmute yourself.
मैम मेरा रिस्पॉन्स आ गया क्या मैम?
अंश देवरा, यस। ज्योति शेखावत का भी आ गया है। I have received 39. Last two entries were Ansh Devra and Jyoti Shekhawat. Somebody has entered as Dinesh Soni. I don't have any student named Dinesh Soni. Unmute yourself. दिनेश सोनी नाम से जिसने एंटर करा है, अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को। See, if you do not tell me what your name is, I will have to remove you from the class. I don't have a student named Dinesh Soni. It's Divya Soni. So quickly rename yourself. Quickly rename yourself to Divya Soni. Do not enter with your parents' ID because it is not acceptable if you enter without your official name. Yes, now it is okay. So I'm removing the option for renaming. Make sure that you enter with your own ID. Otherwise, I will not allow you to enter in the class. Yes, now I have one more response. Kathy, do not write unnecessary thing in the chat box, or else I have to remove you from the class. I don't want such kind of comments in the class. Yes, Divya, unmute yourself. Divya, quickly unmute yourself. You've raised your hand.
मैम मेरा हो गया.
Okay, let me see. Okay, lower down your hand. So I think time is up. I still have not received all the questions. Out of 46, I have only received 42 response. We have 5 more minutes before I close this window. And except for question number 5, I think all the questions have similar point. Still 42 response. Himanshu, unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने भेज दिया आपको.
Okay, बेटा. So अभी तक तो 42 ही है. I'm not able to see that. Yes, Himanshu, I received your. Kavish, unmute yourself. Yes, Kavish. Kavish, yes, beta.
Ma'am, you received my paper?
Yes, Kavish, I've received your. Lower down your hand. And Ayushi, unmute yourself. Yes, Ayushi. Unmute yourself. You've raised your hands. Yes, beta. Speak up. Yes, what is your query? Ayushi, what is your query, beta? I've received your form.
मैम जो क्वेश्चन हमारे गलत है ना उनके नीचे करेक्ट आंसर लिखा है बट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के नीचे लिखा है नो करेक्ट आंसर.
ये भी बात हो गई थी क्लास में. You were not paying attention in the class. Except for question 5, there is no other problem. Kavish, could you please unmute yourself? Kavish, could you please unmute yourself?
मैम
How did you submitted your response? हो नहीं रहा था ना आपसे, फिर कैसे किया? Kavish, please unmute.
यस मैम.
जब आपसे सबमिट नहीं होते रिस्पांस, फिर आपने क्या किया था?
मैम मेरे से तो हो गया था सबमिट.
Somebody had a problem. Okay. Somebody in the class who had earlier the problem and then later on could submit. What was the process you did? For my own learning, I'm asking. जब ब्राउजर से जा रहे थे तो सबमिट नहीं हो रहा था, फिर क्या किया? जिसने ब्राउजर से एंट्री करके सबमिट किया फॉर्म, उसका प्रोसेस बता दीजिए. Still 42 response. I need 3 more students. Okay, so I'm closing the responses. I think most of the students have done. So this test is complete. I'll share the detailed responses, the numbers sheet in the next class. Thank you, class. Thank you for participating. I have another class.